very, very happy because it's a long time and we come from a very bad period with a bad result. So this weekend we start to work in another way. I'm very happy of David and all my team. We make it a good job. I was able to do a good lap and good start, and after the race was so long. But I'm very happy. Come back on the podium is, for me today, is not like a victory, but similar.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
But similar ya, karena udah lama banget dia nggak naik podium gitu ya.
Setahun lebih.
Bener-bener setahun lebih. Jadi memang ya mudah-mudahan bisa mendapatkan hasil yang lebih baik juga sih gitu.